Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Pepe, give you guys my overall analysis on the price of Pepe, see what is happening, and of course what is yet to come as we do go into this upcoming week ahead of us. As far as March the 2nd goes, we're seeing, as far as altcoins are concerned, the momentum is still definitely there. We're seeing Bitcoin dominance pulling down over the past 2 to 3 days, which is giving altcoins more of a steam to really test new highs. And we're seeing this happen quite a bit with a lot of altcoins. And of course today, as of March the 2nd, you guys can see Pepe is up 4.4%, but that's not what's worthwhile noting. We did see Pepe hitting a new all-time high today, which is historic, of course. But over the past 2 to 3 days, when you saw that initial momentum coming in, I was just saying, Pepe can hit an all-time high in the next coming days because the amount of shorts that were of course piling up, that just caused more of a short squeeze. And I do think we have been seeing massive amounts of short squeeze over the past few days to take the price of Pepe where it's at right now. Of course, meme coins are absolutely getting the edge against the majority of the altcoins right now. If you're looking at it just on the daily time frame itself, you're seeing Shiba Inu up, you're seeing this other meme coin Corgi or AI, Floki, WIF token. So meme coins definitely have a lot of momentum right now, and I think we're in a meme coin season as well. But we're going to take a step further, see what is happening with Pepe and of course what is yet to come. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price, 4228, still about 5 zeros in front of the price, up 4% in all three comparatives: Bitcoin, USD, and Ethereum comparative. Looking at its market cap, it's currently sitting at $1.78 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $1.6 billion, which is not bad at all. Of course, we're talking about all-time highs, but let's take it a step further, see what is happening, and obviously share some targets with you guys. So if you're looking at dominance, this is something you guys want to continuously make it a habit to really analyze, because once you understand this could help you out a lot. So what you're seeing happening is, we did see a dominance pick up all the way up to 55% after that massive rally for BTC, but since then, we've seen the price pulling down. And what we're noticing is the money from the overall cryptocurrency market, in terms of the entire market valuation for the space, it's not exiting the space, it's staying within the space. And when that happens, that's generally a sign that we will see money flow back into altcoins. And the best way to get a confirmation is just looking at the daily time frame. You're seeing altcoins absolutely outpacing BTC right now. So I'm convinced that a lot of money is flowing back from BTC into different altcoins, and I think meme coins are the attractive investment for a lot of people as of now. But let's take it a step further. If you're looking at Bitcoin's price, we did close the March 2nd daily candle, and the March 2nd daily candle did close at around $61,800. And again, 2 days in a row we're seeing the daily candle closing at these levels. So as I've said to you guys before in my other updates, what I'm personally projecting is if the price of Bitcoin is able to hold around these levels leading into this upcoming week ahead of us, I have a feeling that we will see Bitcoin retesting the $64,940 resistance in the upcoming days ahead of us. Of course, because right now we know we're in a weekend, and on the weekends CME futures are closed. So what happens when the CME futures are closed? Tends to be more manipulation than usual. But so far BTC is holding really good, especially above 60k. Huge plus point on that. But now let's shift our focus on none other than Pepe's price, so you guys can see this for yourself. Pepe hit a new all-time high, and the price was at 49.87, which is absolutely mind-boggling to even think about. You're just looking at this coin in the last 1 week alone, it has pumped up 3x. It has pumped up 3x. Let that sink in. And again, this is where meme coins are hyped up. This is why people want to have meme coins within their portfolio to hedge risk, and of course not even risk, potential gains as well. It maximizes your potential, because there are times, don't get me wrong, meme coins are one of the most riskiest investments in the crypto space. You really need to understand what you're getting in yourself into, because most of these meme coins, guess what, even though they're pumping right now, but if you look into the meme coins itself, they don't really bring in any sort of utility. So it's all based off of supply and demand, and of course massive amounts of exchanges have listed this. And if you don't know, majority of these exchanges do buybacks, and I have a feeling, and I still am sticking to my original overall thoughts. I'm thinking that, bunch of either, when I say whales, it could be massive centralized exchanges as well. I'm thinking, bunch of whales or centralized exchanges saw the opportunity to pump up the price. And you do realize when manipulation occurs, it happens on the futures platform and of course on the spot platform as well. And that triggered, guess what that triggered? That triggered FOMO. Because why did it trigger FOMO? If we're looking at the entire market on the monthly time frame, look how good the market has been looking. So obviously the momentum was definitely there, so it wasn't really hard for these coins to pop off. And especially when the market cap is not too high, they can move up really fast. But definitely one indicator that we could see that is worthwhile noting is over the last 1 week, meme coins are outpacing majority of the other altcoins. Look at Shiba, look at WIF, look at Bonk, look at Pepe, Floki, Doge. You get the idea as to what's really happening. Meme coins definitely have a lot of momentum for themselves. But if you're looking at the price right now, obviously we did make our ways up to 49.65 just a few hours back, but we're seeing a little bit of a minor cool off. So you're seeing continuous bullish momentum. As of now, where it's holding is at the previous all-time high. That's where it's kind of cooling off, and if it's able to hold around here, we could push even higher. And of course it's at $1.75 billion market cap, and if you're looking at some other meme coins up there where you can kind of speculate where this thing could go, it could go higher if the momentum stays and community interest stays in. As long as the team doesn't do anything shady, I think Pepe could move more towards the upside. And the best thing Pepe has for itself is two different things. I'm still not convinced about the team, I'm going to be quite frank with you guys, and I've been quite clear on that from the beginning, but the community power is quite strong, and the massive centralized exchanges that have listed Pepe, they usually come and support it. So that can help this quite a bit. What I mean by supporting is even if they're tweeting about it, that is a huge indication, and that could generally mean that they're building in hype. And of course at the end of the day, meme coins run off of hype. But so far so good. I'm not seeing any sort of weakness as of now. If I were to see that, I would point that out. The reason as to why I'm not seeing any weakness is because you're seeing similar patterns. It hits a yearly high, cools off a little bit. We've been seeing this literally over the past 2 to 3 days, and as of now we're being supported by the previous all-time high. If it's able to hold around this support line, I think it could push up even higher past $2 billion market cap. And in this bull market, $2 billion market cap is not even a huge thing, to be quite frank. You can see that would put it at roughly top 50, and I think that can realistically happen. But if you're up 300% over the past few months, do lock in profits. It never hurts. Do not get greedy. Opportunities are endless in the crypto space. I really hope you guys understand that part. But that is it for today's update. Do let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.